All right, this is a video for the Johns. There is John Wolfe, John Greer, and John Beachy. This is my review of my new, to me, jet lathe. I set it up. I used my faceplate from my Wen lathe, which is too little and looks like it needs a spacer in there. We'll have to work on that. I got a log from the maple tree. I have it plugged in. I'm going to turn it on. And this is the first cut. This is using my new Hurricane. This log is horribly out of round, as you can tell. Doing this one-handed with all the iPhones in the hand. My hand's like 2 feet back from this. Oh my God. Wolfie, you said you wanted to see it. You can't see my face, but you can hear me. This thing does slightly better than mini micro lathe here. This is my neat, well-organized shop. There's a nice guard on that sharpening jig over there. Second most important feature. Look. Well, so organized. That's going to be the future here. We're going to do all these organizing things. One of them's fractional, one of them's metric, one of them's accessories. Best value ever, chisel. Chinesium. Alrighty, I'm going to put this down and go turn.